Look who's eating ice cream. Mommy's ice cream.
Hold it.
You can do it yourself. Good morning everyone. Whoa, that's bright. So I'm off to the swimming pool. I cleaned out the camper and Rob and Logan are already in the swimming pool. So let's check out where they are. I brought towels and everything else. It's already so hot here. Hi!
So we're sitting in our camping spot, and Logan is trying to sleep. Well, actually we want him to sleep, but we've been trying now for half an hour.
He's just chatting.
And he is up there, but we did like everything. We closed the curtains with, how do you call them?
Clothespins.
Clothespins. And he opens it, and then one time he tried to go to the other way, like the outside.
Yeah, he keeps looking for a way to get out.
Yeah.
But at least now he's quiet. He's not like.
Yeah, we went to the swimming pool, so that's awesome. They have a really great pool for Logan.
Yeah.
He can like climb and do like everything, and he can climb up a hill.
Yeah, it's all soft material.
And there's a big slide, and he could where he can
climb on. Because everything is soft.
Yeah, and the slide he can join when he goes with his dad. It's really awesome.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just showing them.
And I have to see. Mommy's going to the supermarket in a bit, and this is our camping spot. Quite awesome, right? Party. Are you alright? Oeh, oh, ik andere kant is kapot.
Hi, did you have a good night sleeping? Oh, was it nummies? Mommy's gonna open it up, okay?
So it's dinner time. And tonight we're gonna have pizza. La pizza italiana. And Mommy is making Logan some Ella's Kitchen. You're gonna have some Ella's Kitchen, buddy. Oh, and the sun is still shining. It's so nice weather. Ooh. Yummies! Smakelijk eten, smakelijk eten. Hap, hap, hap. Slok, slok, slok. Dat zal lekker smaken, dat zal lekker smaken.
We don't need sun, we only need you.
Okay. And for me one like this. And then some chocolate and yogurt. So we're gonna grab some ice cream. Yay! Oh. Italian ice cream. Awesome! But they got like these weird scoops. You don't got like these things to make balls.
Look who's eating ice cream. Mommy's ice cream.
Hold it.
You can do it yourself.
Go.
Look at your little facey. Your feet on the table.
Okay, so we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog.
We'll head to Rome tomorrow. So be sure to check out that vlog. Thumbs up this video if you liked it.
And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, ciao ciao.